Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a different kind of video. It's going to be an organization and storage video. This is the closet that I hate to open. This is in my office slash filming room, and I'm about to open the door and show you what I'm talking about. Sorry, you see my shadow. This is probably the least organized part of our entire house. It is just a standard closet, and it's kind of become the catch-all for all things clutter, and it just continues to go back. I'll turn on the lights back there in a minute, but as you can see, I need to do a lot of organization. I even have some organization to do over here and in my filing cabinet under my desk, and it isn't pretty. This is the other side. As you can see, I really started out well. I have files, I have them organized, labeled, and then it's just ugly. So I'm going to take everything out of the closet and we're going to get started. Alright, so I removed some of this stuff here. You can already tell the things that were hanging there and the wrapping paper's gone, so you can kind of get a better idea. I do have a 9 cube thing there that is very helpful, but yeah, I just removed these and the wrapping paper. Getting there. Cleared off the top. Now it's time to tackle these drawers. Alright, we're getting there. I know it's dark, but I got it all emptied out over there. I decided to leave the stuff on top because it is really organized. It's all labeled. There's a few binders and then more bins. I know that's super dark, sorry. But let's go ahead and look at the rest of the room. It's chaos. It's just absolute chaos. It's just boxes of things everywhere, bins, filming equipment stacked on every surface. So let's go ahead and go through things, starting with the 9 storage cubes. Alright, so I turned on another light. Hopefully this is better. But the first 3 bins I'm going to do, these are easy. These are makeup bags and other pouches like that for travel. This is my coloring and markers type stuff, coloring books. And this would be like computer software, editing stuff, DVDs, and cords that I just need to keep. So I'm going to put those in, and I'm keeping in mind that I want the things I use the most often to be the most accessible, and vice versa. Things that I don't need to use very often will be the least accessible, like in the corner. Alright, so this one is a blank bin. I haven't decided what I'm going to put in it yet. And then this one is office supplies, like my tape dispenser, things like that. And then this is the only DVDs I have left to my name. Yes, that is Spice World. So I'm going to put those in as well. And I did throw up a couple more binders up there. So this bin here, guys, is just Sephora and Ulta and stuff, like kind of receipts. It's ridiculous. Like, why do I have so many receipts? So I'm just gonna like throw them all out. They're old. Let's do it. My poor dog just like jumped over a mountain to get in here. Alright, this tub is like memory stuff. That's like my cap and gown from my master's degree, an anniversary card that my husband made for me. But anyway, so I made all of that. And then this one was the receipts. It's all empty. So right now, out of the 9, 2 of the cubes are so far going to be empty. And then I'm going to make one of them, I think, beauty stuff, beauty supplies. And I've decided that the stuff I use the least often is the planner supplies, stickers, craft stuff. So I'm going to put that on the left side where I have the least access. Hello, that's my shadow. I decided this whole bin is going to be all stuff about postpartum, being a mommy, nursing, nipple cream, stuff I'm saving to do like a breastfeeding video, the baby footprints thing, my fetal Doppler, and the gel for it, and then all the postpartum stuff like the special pads and mesh underwear that I have left over from postpartum, the, what do you call it, the peri bottle thing, put in here, save it for my next baby. And I'm going to fill the other bin that I have left with these little hot rollers and other random beauty things that I had laying around, extra makeup wipes, stuff like that. Alright, so I put my stationery up here. It may move eventually, but these are just like cards, envelopes, things that I use all the time, like thank you cards, birthday cards, beauty stuff, extra products, hot curlers, things I don't use. This bin is just like memories, important stuff, photos, Christmas cards. This is me as a baby. I know. More photos, and this is like a box of Daisy stuff, like the size of diapers she wore and stuff like that. So I kept the baby name book. I want to put like a more permanent home for this, but for now it's in this bin. And this is also, so I'm going to work on the left side of the closet that I don't access very often because I don't think I'll go through old photos too often. And now craft stuff. This one says scissors, this one says adhesives, that one says stamps, all going in this thing here. So I've got some books I've been wanting to read. This is my washi tape. Got this at Michael's. It's a, oh, this is for tools actually. Worked out. And then this has like my day dot stickers and random washi tape stuff. Getting closer. That's a caboodle for when I do like makeup for weddings and things. So it's empty. I just put it here at the top there. And then I've got a couple of like smaller bags. Like this is a laptop roller bag. This was from my camera. Those are my fuzzy socks. For my lighting and stuff. So I'm going to put that in the very far corner of the area. Then I've got those already stashed over there in the corner. This is a box of makeup eraser type cloths. And then this one is from the craft store. And I just have like other random office stuff, crayons, stickers. So that's going to go down at the bottom there. Alright, it's actually 2 days later, finally getting back to this project. I moved this stand over just a little bit because I wanted more room on that side. I still have like wrapping paper and stuff to put away and it needs to stand up. So I needed like a nice standing place. So this bin here is all like makeup freebies, samples, stuff I'm not using that I give away to people all the time that like I just said, here, take, if you want anything, take it from here, I don't care. So I'm going to put that in here too, probably stack it over by the other bins, and then underneath here I have my coin collection, my quarters, and then a laptop box from my work laptop that I need to keep in case I need to service my laptop. I have to like mail it back. So I'm going to put those in as well, right over here. And then over here I have my bags. I have to figure out where I'm going to put those. I just hung them there for the moment. And then wrapping paper tubes. And I have some empty ones that I want to do like a project with, but I'm not sure what yet. So let's get to it. Alright, so I just kind of put that box there underneath the caboodle thing. Wrapping paper in the corner, as I said. And then I've got my laptop box there. I tucked my coin collection right there. It's like the National Park quarters. I know I'm a nerd. And then this is what we're left with. I have all of this crap that I have to figure out what to do with. So I'm going to sit here and sort and purge, and then I do have some open stacking space on this side. The whole top of this is empty, and so I'm thinking I might do like a few little like baskets like that one on the top. So before I also hung that like I don't know what you call it, like the bag thing that goes over the door. I hung one here so I could hang the bags. I might do it like over in the center of the closet where you don't really need that space. Alright, so this is my like decorative craft paper, so I just put that there. It says scrapbooking supplies on the bin. And then these are like little boxes from, I don't know, Make It Forever. This is like my nail supplies for like doing a manicure. But anyway, I'm just going to stuff those on top of the craft supplies. And then these are my umbrellas for filming, for my lights. I don't actually use them, as you can see over there. I have like the posts without the umbrellas, so I kind of like that better. So I'm storing these. I might use those later. And then this bin here is all of like more office-y type stuff, like envelopes and notepads and tape and pens and stuff like that. So I just put that right next to the other bin. I'd love if the bins matched, but they don't, and I'm okay with it. And then I'm going to hang that bag hanger, like the over-the-door hanger thing, on the curtain rod up here and hang my bags. Alright, so I hung the bags, as I said. I need them accessible, and I know that's like not visually appealing probably to you guys, but for me it works really well. I grab them like anytime I need to bring my laptop anywhere, grabbing toys for the baby. I have a diaper bag, but these are like different. Like, you know what I mean? When you just like go to the park, you want different toys. Anyway, I put in one of my umbrella lights that I don't use regularly. I know it's really dark over there, but I put that in the corner. I cleaned up a lot more on the floor. This is what's left. It's just a bunch of like empty storage bins, which I'm keeping. I'm going to find a place for them because you never know when you want to reorganize something. And I use them all the time. So, and then over here, of course my desk is filthy, don't judge me. This is going to be where I pump during my workday. I'm going to put like bottles and flanges and things. I just pumped, they're dirty, don't judge me again. But, so I'm going to put them in here with lids and stuff so that while I'm working, it's all in one area. It's like out of, my desk is 5 feet long. So like I really don't need to have bottles everywhere. You know, I can just put them at the final 6 inches of the desk and they're out of sight, out of mind because I don't pump for, you know, but twice a day. So, and then I found this in there. So I decided to put like pens, and I will put in some Post-its as well. Clean that off a little, it's a little dusty, but I think that'll work out really nicely for me. So I'm just going to put the final things in the closet, those storage bins, and we'll see the final finished product. Alright, all done, guys. I know it doesn't look that pretty, but it is so much better. I got rid of a whole trash bag worth of stuff. My entire office, like, just to have my floor back. Oh, very exciting. So it's just cards, stationery, office stuff, the baby book, extra storage bins, bags. I don't even remember. You know, movies, craft stuff, extra makeup, office supplies, IT type stuff, my music or my light, my coin collection, photos, important paper, stuff like that. And then on the other side, I have like my laptop bag, wrapping paper, extra lighting stuff, craft supplies, extra beauty samples, and then music and scrapbook type stuff. So that is it for my Organize With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you want to see more like this. Like I said, I'm not doing these to be like perfect or have like the most beautiful pantry. You know how people always do on Instagram and stuff, Pinterest photos. This is real. This is functional. And these are the things I have. I didn't buy any materials, any organization stuff. This is just what's going to work for me in my life. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.